Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can snooze tasks in your calendar on Reclaim AI in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So what you want to do is navigate to your planner on Reclaim AI. Here in your calendar, select the given task. And let's assume you're already working on a task or it is about to start and you would like to snooze it. This is how you can do it. Left click into the given task, select these three dots in the very top right corner, more options, and choose snooze from that menu. And after that, Reclaim AI will give you the opportunity to update or basically reschedule the task relative to now, as you can see. So it will give you a couple of suggestions like 1 day or 2 days, but you can also choose a schedule after date here and pick one from the calendar. Choose a different time, for example, I don't know, for instance, 8:30 p.m. or something like that. And after that, what you want to do, guys, is click into update tasks here. And that is going to snooze it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Wait for the update here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.